Hi, I'm Jen Evans, Director of Education at Kevyn Aucoin Beauty. The Contour Book Volume 2 has everything you need to sculpt, highlight, brighten, and define. When approaching contour, think about where you want to create natural-looking shadows for dimension. One of Kevyn's signature techniques is to place dark colors in areas you want to shade or recede, and place light colors in areas you want to highlight or bring forward. The Contour Book Volume 2 is a convenient travel-size palette that houses all of your contouring needs. Cream and powder versions of Kevyn Aucoin's legendary formulas come together in this pro palette. The contouring essentials are the Sculpting Cream and Powder, the Celestial Cream and Powder in Candlelight, the Celestial Powder in Starlight, and 3 universal eyeshadow shades. To properly contour, it's necessary to understand the importance of placement. Analyze your facial structure by feeling the bones in your face. To create a soft or natural contour, apply the sculpting cream under cheekbones and blend to soften or diffuse the edges. Apply to the sides of the nose, blending the outer edge toward the center. If needed, apply to the forehead just below the hairline, blending down. Apply to the jawline and blend down toward the neck. To contour the eye, feel for the orbital bone. This is the crease of the eye. Apply sculpting cream to the crease, blending up and out to define the eye. Place under the lower lash line and diffuse edges. This will help frame the eye. To highlight and accentuate features on your face, assess areas that would naturally reflect light. Apply the Candlelight cream to the high arch of the brow bone, center of the eyelid, inner corner of the eyes, high point of the cheekbone, center bridge of nose, edge of Cupid's bow, and center of chin. For a more dramatic contoured effect, use the powder formulas. The same techniques apply respectively for sculpting and highlighting. Apply powder formulas with the contour brush. This pro palette has everything you need to open, brighten, and define your eyes. Apply the brightened shade to the inner corner of the eye in a circular motion. Apply the Celestial Powder in Starlight to the center of the lid and brow bone. Apply Cool Tan to the crease, blending the edges up and out. To frame the eye, apply Cool Tan under the lower lash line and blend. To define and lift the eye, apply Ruddy Earth to the outer corner and pull into the crease. Blend the edges up and out. Apply Ruddy Earth under lower lash line and blend up and out to connect with the outer corner of the eye. The eyeshadows can be used wet or dry. To further define the eye, dip a wet concealer brush in Ruddy Earth and apply to the top lash line in a back and forth motion to line the eye. Become your own feature sculptor and create a full face look using the Contour Book Volume 2.